guys, I just wanted to share with you that I got in the mail today. So I was super excited. I didn't want to cut the box open because of the packing tape has their stickers on it. It's from Jesse and Lisa with Lazy Days Ahead. And I won this on one of their giveaways, but there's more. So this is rather sticky. Made it. This is the La Vencedora. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Vanilla. And it comes with a little card. It says, "Hey Rainy Ridge, congratulations on winning this awesome vanilla. We know you will love it. Enjoy the extra goodies too. Thank you for always joining in our lives and for your support. We truly appreciate you. Much love, Lisa and Jesse." And we got a new sticker. And a new old sticker. A magnet. Another sticker. The Mod Father. Another sticker. And another magnet. I think these are super cool. I was super excited. And then I got ready to set the box down and it's like, wait a minute. There's more. Got one of Lisa's dandelion jelly. I've never tried this before, so I'm super excited to do that.
Molly wants to try.
It's not for doggies. And balsamic basil plum jam. So, never tried either one of these, so something new. But anyway, it's kind of our first mail call, so I kind of wanted to share it with everyone. I'm super excited. And then extra goodies in there. So, pretty stoked. Thanks for coming along and enjoying us. Thanks, Jesse and Lisa. Remember, everybody go watch Lazy Days Ahead. Bye-bye.